Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 10th of July, 2023. Benchmark indices ended with marginal gains in the volatile session on July 10th. At close, the Sensex was up 63.72 points, or 0.1% at 65,344.17, and the NIFTY was up 24.10 points, or 0.12% at 19,355.90. The biggest NIFTY gainers of the day were Reliance, Tata Steel, and JSW Steel. The losers included Titan Company, HCL Tech, and Power Grid Corporation. Talking about the corporate segment, we have HDFC Bank will sell a 2% stake in the initial public offering of National Securities Depository. The lender informed exchanges on Sunday. The lender holds a 8.95% stake in NSDL, which handles most of the securities held and settled in dematerialized form in the Indian capital market. In its draft red herring prospectus dated July 7, the depository said the IPO will see sales of 57.3 million shares by its 6 shareholders. IDBI Bank will sell up to 22.2 million shares, while National Stock Exchange will sell 18 million shares it owns in the depository. The Securities Appellate Tribunal, on Monday, dismissed an appeal from Z Group chairman Subhash Chandra and Z Entertainment CEO Puneet Goenka over a ban by markets regulator from holding board positions in public listed companies for a year. The Securities and Exchange Board of India had restrained the duo on June 12 from holding any managerial or directorship position in listed entities on account of alleged fund diversion. SAT said that it does not see merit in interfering in the regulator's order and also asked the duo to defend themselves before SEBI. It has given Chandra and Goenka 2 weeks to reply to SEBI. India's Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited has received 6 or 7 bids from industries to lease a part of its Chhara liquefied natural gas import terminal on the west coast, the LNG unit's chief executive. HPCL aims to commission the terminal, with a planned capacity of 5 million metric tons per year in the December quarter, K. Srinivasa Rao told reporters at an event. The terminal will run at about 30% of capacity in 2024 to reach full capacity in 4 or 5 years, he said, adding that HPCL has also made provision to double capacity to 10 million ton per year in future. Reliance Industries said the board of directors of Reliance Retail has approved reduction of the equity share capital to the extent held by shareholders other than its promoter and holding company Reliance Retail Ventures. A consideration of 1,362 rupees per share, determined on the basis of valuation obtained from 2 reputed independent registered values, will be paid towards the capital reduction. RIL has fixed July 20 as the record date for the purpose of determining the equity shareholders who are entitled to receive shares of Reliance Strategic Investments. The state-owned oil marketing company has received board approval for raising up to 22,000 rupees crore through a rights issue. The board also approved a joint venture company for battery swapping business in India as a private limited company. IOC will form a 50-50 collaboration with Sun Mobility Pte Limited Singapore, and its equity investment for the battery swapping business will be 1,800 rupees crore till financial year 2027. The board also approved investment of $78.31 million in IOC subsidiary 10CL Singapore, Pte Limited, Singapore for acquisition of preference shares and warrants of SMS. Vardalal Industries in daily time frame is trading around 3,204 points with a change of 15%. And is trading with a net volume of around 431,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 2,840, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.41. For stocks to watch, we have Gland Pharma looks good on current market price of 1084. It can be bought at 1090 rupees, keeping target of 1150, 8 rupees with stop loss of 1027. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.